Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about whether or not the ADC-V522IR records audio, and the answer is that it does. Let's show you what the camera looks like first, go over some of the different features that you'll find with it, and then we'll talk about how you can actually get that audio feature working on it and which recordings it's going to come through on. So the 522IR, the V522IR, this is the unit right here. It's an indoor style camera. As you can see, it has a very clean, minimalist look, and it's going to match most decors where you place it. The camera is 1080p. It's an HD camera. It has a 113-degree viewing angle, and it also has a 15-foot IR trigger for night vision, so it can see in the dark. The camera does have a built-in microphone, and in addition to being able to actually hear audio in the recordings and in the live streaming, you can have the microphone trigger the recording function on the camera. So not only can you have it work based on when somebody walks in front of the camera, you can have it work when there's a noise that occurs at the location. This is a cool feature because if somebody smashes a window or breaks a door that the camera isn't currently looking at, like if the camera's up here, the door's back here, this noise of this smashing can trigger this to start recording, so that when they walk in front, this will pick them up and you'll be able to see what's going on. If you do have an Alarm.com account, it can use the camera feature, or you can integrate cameras with it. If you're not currently using cameras though, there's a good chance that you may need to upgrade your account. So all you have to do that is reach out to your security provider, tell them that you're interested in using Alarm.com cameras, and they'll be able to enable that feature for your account. In many instances, it does cost a little extra as it's an additional feature on your plan. There are many other Alarm.com cameras too. Not many of them have the audio feature. If you do have any questions though about different cameras that you can use with your Alarm.com service or which ones have audio, feel free to reach out to us. We'll include our contact info at the end of the video. So now let's talk about the actual getting the audio from the camera. So one of the coolest things about this camera is that you can do two-way viewing or two-way audio. So on your phone or on your tablet app, you'll actually be able to view live video with this, listen to what the camera is hearing, and you'll also be able to speak through the app to speak through the camera. It's a pretty cool feature. Other places where the camera records is it's going to record saved clips and store them in your Alarm.com app. If you download them on your computer, those will have stored saved audio with the video recordings. On your phone, the clips will also have saved audio. The only place that you're not going to get saved audio from this on the clips is if you're viewing live clips on the desktop, on the browser, on the computer, or if you have an SVR connected with your camera. Those saved recordings aren't going to have the audio with the video. So if you are looking to get the audio with your camera recordings, just make sure that you're using one of the appropriate methods to get it so you don't get frustrated when you try to listen to what is going on. If you go to the bottom of the fact that this video is posted on, there's going to be a little table that's going to show you exactly which ones have the audio for the saved recordings. It's a super helpful table just to keep handy if you do have this while you're figuring out what does what. If you have any questions though about Alarm.com cameras, the 522, or how to integrate it to your system, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call at 888-818-7728. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or head to our website at www.alarmgrid.com. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below. We'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.